Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into something super cool for all you Android customization enthusiasts, APK Editor Monet. This isn't just your average APK editor. We're talking about an APK Editor mod that brings some fantastic improvements, especially with its adaptive colors and a slick revamp of its interface elements. If you're all about making your Android experience truly yours, you're going to love this. We'll walk through how to install it, and then I'll give you a full rundown of its features. First, you'll need to download the APK file. I'll include a link in the description below where you can safely get it. Once downloaded, simply open the file. You might get a security prompt asking to allow installation from unknown sources. Make sure to enable that if you haven't already. After that, just tap Install and let the process complete. It's pretty straightforward. And just like that, APK Editor Monet will be ready to go on your device. Let's talk about what sets APK Editor Monet apart. First up, it boasts a modern interface with material design. This means a clean, intuitive, and visually appealing layout that feels right at home on modern Android devices. But here's where it gets really interesting: the accent color. Now depends on your wallpaper. That's right, if you're on Android 12 or newer, the app's theme will beautifully adapt to your wallpaper, providing an even more integrated and personalized look. It's a subtle but powerful touch that truly elevates the user experience. And for those of us who love a good dark mode, APK Editor Monet delivers with an AMOLED-friendly dark theme. This isn't just any dark mode. It's elegantly designed to not only save battery life on AMOLED displays, but also look absolutely stunning. Say goodbye to eye strain and hello to a sleek, power-efficient interface. Of course, all the core functionalities of an APK editor are here: editing resources, manifest files, and more. But with these visual enhancements, the experience is just so much more enjoyable. So, what's the verdict on APK Editor Monet? If you're looking for an APK editor that not only gets the job done, but also looks incredibly good doing it, especially with its adaptive theming and AMOLED-friendly dark mode, then this is definitely worth checking out. The community support via Telegram is also a huge plus, ensuring the app continues to evolve. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments what you think of APK Editor Monet. Do you love the adaptive colors as much as I do? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Android customization tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.